You're gonna love the 2012 Toyota Tundra. This vehicle still has fewer than 110,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. You deserve a ride that was designed with your needs in mind. The time is right to take advantage of the technology, performance, and creature comforts this vehicle has to offer. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, multi-zone AC, locking limited slip differential, stability control, split bench seat, tow hooks, intermittent wipers, pass-through rear seat. Meet us at the intersection of style and efficiency. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.